बहुत सारी sightings obviously have happened around the world. मेरा ख्याल है US से ज़्यादा इसलिए associate किया जाता है because let's be honest, it is one of the countries जो सबसे ज़्यादा research के अंदर काम भी कर रही हैं different topics के ऊपर.
Exactly.
And also they are more open to ideas. So इस वजह से जो हमें sightings हैं या जो अब मतलब this hearing is actually like a proof कि they take it, they are if not before, they are now taking it a little seriously than they were.
Let me tell you that basically currently Sol Foundation is a big platform which is comprising of a whole lot of scholars, including physicists, astrophysicists, astrobiologists, people like Dr. Michael Masters, people like Dr. Kevin Groth, who basically has worked in NASA in different disciplines.
Yeah.
Then Dr. Avi Loeb.
Yeah.
Dr. Avi Loeb, by the way, runs a complete project of his own by the name of Project Galileo. Galileo, right? Then there are other projects as well who have hired basically. Now, what is happening right now is कि जो mainstream scientists थे, वो अब इस topic को बहुत ही एक गहरी नज़र से इसका मुशाहिदा भी कर रहे हैं और इसमें research भी कर रहे हैं, right? But having said that, मुझे अगर आप इजाज़त दें, I know there is a shortage of time, but let me mention that there was a person by the name of a scientist, basically, by the name of Giordano Bruno.
Yeah.
Back in the, I believe, that was in 1500s.
More of a philosopher.
He first basically emphasized that there is possible that life beyond Earth and in cosmos, in different planets, can even emerge, can form, emerge, and get into the shape of an intelligent being or a life form. और basically उनकी जो prediction थी कि rotational orbits circular भी नहीं है और उनकी movements uniform भी नहीं है, right? And of course, I mean, let me conclude with that. Very, very sad incident that he was basically, and I have written it in an article of mine as well, कि उन्हें crucify किया गया with when he was torched, and he was torched as well
For having the idea.
for having this idea, and that was the dawn of a new age.
Yeah.
और इस पे मैं समझता हूँ कि I believe this episode we should conclude it, and inshallah with the next episode when we come here we would discuss some more things, some very exciting facts, some very exciting incidents, some very, very interesting events which happened in the course of history, including the research and the development which took place in the early part of the 1940s and then up to the 2020s.